This herb will fix everything wrong in your body. Holy basil, also known as tulsi, is a herb that has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine practices, particularly in Ayurvedic medicine. It is considered sacred in Hinduism and is known for its numerous health benefits, which has earned it the title Queen of Herbs. Holy basil is native to India, where it has been used for centuries to promote longevity and vitality. In recent years, holy basil has gained popularity in the West for its many health benefits. It contains several compounds that have powerful anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties. These compounds can help to protect your body from a wide range of diseases and promote overall health and well-being. While many people are familiar with holy basil as a tea, it can also be consumed in other forms, such as supplements, tinctures, or added to meals. Eating holy basil every day can provide numerous benefits for your body and mind. In this video, we will explore what happens to your body when you eat holy basil every day and the many health benefits that come with incorporating it into your daily routine. 1. Boosts immune system. One of the most significant benefits of holy basil is its ability to boost your immune system. Holy basil contains compounds such as eugenol, rosmarinic acid, and oleanolic acid, which are known to have powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These compounds can help to protect your body from infections, viruses, and other harmful pathogens that can weaken your immune system. 2. Lowers stress and anxiety. Holy basil is also known to be an effective natural remedy for stress and anxiety. It contains adaptogenic compounds that can help your body to cope with stress and promote relaxation. Holy basil can also help to reduce the levels of cortisol, a stress hormone, in your body. By reducing stress and anxiety, holy basil can help to improve your mental health and promote a sense of calm and well-being. 3. Improves digestion. Holy basil can also improve your digestion and promote healthy gut function. It contains compounds that can help to reduce inflammation in the gut, soothe digestive discomfort, and improve the absorption of nutrients from your food. Holy basil can also help to regulate your bowel movements and prevent constipation. 4. Regulates blood sugar levels. Holy basil has also been shown to be beneficial in regulating blood sugar levels. It contains compounds that can help to reduce insulin resistance and promote the production of insulin, which is essential for regulating blood sugar levels. Holy basil can be particularly beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes, or those who are at risk of developing the condition. 5. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to a wide range of health problems, including heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. Holy basil contains anti-inflammatory compounds that can help to reduce inflammation in the body and protect against these diseases. By reducing inflammation, holy basil can help to improve your overall health and well-being. 6. Promotes cardiovascular health. Holy basil is also beneficial for promoting cardiovascular health. It contains compounds that can help to reduce cholesterol levels in the blood, lower blood pressure, and improve blood flow. These benefits can help to reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular problems. 7. Boosts cognitive function. Holy basil can also help to improve your cognitive function and brain health. It contains compounds that can help to improve blood flow to the brain, protect against oxidative stress, and reduce inflammation in the brain. These benefits can help to improve memory, concentration, and overall cognitive function. 8. Anti-cancer properties. Holy basil contains several compounds that have anti-cancer properties. For instance, ursolic acid and eugenol have been shown to have cancer-fighting properties, and the herb also contains other compounds that can inhibit the growth of cancer cells. While further research is needed in this area, some studies suggest that holy basil may be beneficial in preventing and treating cancer. 9. Anti-aging benefits. Holy basil is also known for its anti-aging properties. It contains antioxidants that can help to protect your body from the damaging effects of free radicals, which can contribute to aging and age-related diseases. By reducing oxidative stress in your body, holy basil can help to promote longevity and slow down the aging process. 10. Relieves respiratory problems. Holy basil has also been used traditionally to relieve respiratory problems such as coughs, colds, and asthma. It contains compounds that can help to loosen mucus in the airways, reduce inflammation, and improve breathing. Holy basil may be particularly beneficial for people with chronic respiratory conditions. 11. Liver protection. Holy basil has also been shown to be beneficial in protecting the liver. It contains compounds that can help to detoxify the liver, reduce inflammation, and prevent liver damage. By promoting liver health, holy basil can help to improve your overall health and well-being. 12. Improved skin health. Holy basil may also be beneficial for improving skin health. It contains compounds that can help to reduce inflammation, protect against UV damage, and promote the production of collagen, which is essential for healthy skin. By improving skin health, holy basil can help to promote a more youthful and vibrant appearance. Holy basil can be used in several home remedies to provide relief from various ailments. Here is one simple recipe for a holy basil tea that can help to alleviate stress and anxiety. Holy basil tea recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup of water, 5 to 6 holy basil leaves, 1 teaspoon honey, optional. Directions: rinse the holy basil leaves and chop them into small pieces. Bring the water to a boil in a small saucepan. Add the chopped holy basil leaves to the boiling water and turn off the heat. Cover the saucepan and let the tea steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the tea into a cup and add honey if desired. Enjoy your holy basil tea. This tea can be consumed up to 3 times a day for maximum benefits. Holy basil contains compounds that can help to reduce stress and anxiety, promote relaxation, and improve mental clarity. Another popular home remedy using holy basil is a paste made from the leaves, which can be applied topically to treat skin conditions like acne, rashes, and insect bites. Here's how to make it. Holy basil paste recipe. Ingredients: 10 to 12 holy basil leaves, 1 teaspoon of water. Directions: crush the holy basil leaves using a mortar and pestle, or a blender until you have a fine paste. Add a teaspoon of water to the paste and mix well. Apply the paste to the affected area and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off with warm water and pat dry. Repeat as needed until the condition improves. Holy basil contains compounds that can help to reduce inflammation and fight bacterial and fungal infections, which makes it an effective remedy for skin conditions. It is important to note that while holy basil has many health benefits, it is always recommended to consult a healthcare professional before using it as a treatment for any medical condition. In summary, eating holy basil every day can provide numerous health benefits for your body and mind. It can help to boost your immune system, reduce stress and anxiety, improve digestion, regulate blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, promote cardiovascular health, boost cognitive function, fight cancer, promote anti-aging, relieve respiratory problems, protect the liver, and improve skin health. Incorporating holy basil into your diet can be an easy way to improve your overall health and well-being.